Still working on it. I didn't get much done today. I went 30 miles away to the giant mall in Medford, Oregon for my grandson's first piano recital that he played in front of a whole bunch of people. He did good. So, late in the evening, getting ready to pick my saws up. Just did a little bit of carving. Trying to get the bear shaped in. Get the salmon cut in. Haven't got my eagle put together. I'll work on that tomorrow or the next day. There's the tail part. I'm missing all my wings and stuff over here. There's my wings to go back on the bird. And of course I got to cut the legs in, and then the fish it'll be holding. Can't really see it too well. Big chunk of wood. I'll do some more later. I had to take my beak off. I had the mouth open, but it was too big. It just made it look incorrect. So cut that off. All right. That's it.